Till 24, I had very short hair and I never had long hair. So I started to grow my hair. In my late 20s, I had hip length, long straight hair for the first time. Now at 34, my hair is the healthiest it has ever been and I know how to take care of it with no crazy treatments, no salon visits and no Dyson. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm gonna give you some real fast and easy hair care tips, simple hair care tools. You don't have to spend 45,000 rupees on Dyson, and my favorite hair care products that made my hair frizz-free, healthy, long and shiny. So when you color your hair or use heat tools or even in the pollution and in the sun, you have these hair bonds which break, and that's how you get those frizzy hair, rough, dry, split ends. So bond repair products like Redken, Olaplex, K18 are designed to rebuild the broken hair bonds, and they work from inside out. When I was a teenager, just like every average millennial girl, I started with Sunsilk and Pantene shampoos. Then when I started earning, I moved on to Olaplex. It was very expensive. It did help my hair, but it was not worth the money in my opinion, honestly. Last month, I ordered some products and I got this free sample of Redken acidic bonding shampoo. I washed my hair with that and went for a nap. So when I woke up, my hair were so voluminous and so shiny. So I've been using Redken acidic bonding shampoo since last month, and I'm gonna be super honest with you, my hair feels like they came back to life. Best thing, it's sulfate free. It has a very creamy texture which lathers well and clean my hair from like inside out. It has citric acid plus 7% bonding complex which actually rebuilds the broken bond, and citric acid helps to balance the pH of your hair because your hair likes slightly acidic environment. It seals the cuticles, smooth the surface of your hair and makes everything feel super healthy. I thought my hair was doing fine until I used this shampoo. Before this, I was using Plum, Avocado and Argan Oil shampoo, which was very gentle, mild cleanser for your hair. Mild shampoos are good, but you also need your deep clean shampoos. I noticed only 19% of you who watch my videos are subscribed to my channel, which is really terrible. It would really mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. This lets me know you like this video and I should make more videos like this. My second favorite product for frizz-free, healthy, shiny hair is Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. Now this is liquid gold in a bottle. This not only repairs the broken bonds in your hair but also protects it from heat damage up to 450 Fahrenheit. You need only 1 or 2 drops of it, and I apply it before using my hair straightener or any hot tools. Basically, it protects your hair from heat damage. So it's a 2-in-1. It acts as a hair serum which makes your hair frizz-free, healthy, shiny, but it also protects from heat damage and also repairs your hair. I have used Olaplex shampoo, conditioner and their number 3 hair perfector which also bond repair. But if there's one product that I would recommend to get from Olaplex, it's their number 7 bonding oil. This is sent from heaven. I've never seen my hair shine like that, so I have to recommend it. I have actually mini bottle. This is like 1,000 something rupees, and surprisingly you need very tiny amount of it. So I will be repurchasing the full size bottle of it because it's really amazing and worth the money, worth the hype. So before washing, hair styling, I do hair oiling every week. This is my weekly hair care routine, and the hair oils that I swear by are these two actually. This is Indie Wild Chumpy hair oil. This is Niveda Revive My Roots hair oil. Finished the whole bottle of it. It's that good, but it's not in stock anymore. Like I've been waiting for it 3-4 months. If it comes back in stock, I'm gonna order like 2-3 bottles of it. It's that good. I also use the Fable and Mane hair oil. Now this is very expensive. This is the mini bottle. I got it around 1500 I guess, and this is not as good as these two. I mean, this is good, but these two are really good. So I don't think that I will be buying it again. So I wanted those crazy voluminous hair, and I have fine hair, so they just fall flat, and I did not have any volume, especially at the roots. So I wanted to invest in Dyson, but this one Instagram post made me stop. What was the most useless and expensive thing you bought in 2024? And when I read the comment section, there were thousands of comments, and most of them said Dyson Airwrap. That's what really convinced me that, Manvi, you don't need a Dyson right now, maybe later. So I got these Velcro rollers for that 90s blowout hair, and initially I was like, I don't know if it will work, and it might be a lot of work. I might not be able to do it because I don't have any hairstyling skills. But all of that was just nonsense, because these are the easiest hair tools I've ever used, and it's just 200 rupees. I got these on Amazon. I will leave the link for you. And when I use these overnight, my hair looks like Victoria's Secret models. So voluminous, big hair. I quickly want to talk about what I stopped doing with my hair, because that's also important. Number one, I stopped overwashing my hair. I used to wash my hair every third day because my hair would get really greasy, oily, and dirty. But now when I started using right hair care products, my hair lasts for like a week. A week when I really push it, but maximum 4-5 days. That is really good for my hair. I stopped using hair tools without heat protection. So I use the Olaplex number 7 before going in with my heat tools. Also, this does not make my hair greasy, heavy, or oily. It's so lightweight, it just melts into my hair. Number 3, I started using products with bond repair. So when I'm ordering a product, I make sure that it does have a bond repair ingredient, so that my hair not only looks good but also feels good and healthy inside out. And lastly, ignoring scalp care. So I highly recommend using any glycolic acid toner. I usually use ordinary glycolic acid toner before washing. Apply it gently in my scalp, and it actually exfoliates and removes all the dirt that is collected during the week, which is very important. That's what actually gets your hair that volume. When I want that really voluminous hair, I would use my blow dryer. But when I don't have a lot of time, I just use my hair straightener. And when your hair is slightly hot, I just roll them in these rollers very quickly and use the clip like this. It's so simple, you guys. I'm telling you, you can do it. And after like 20 minutes, you would get this voluminous look, which I love. And just take it out. You can also roll on this side, but I actually prefer it rolling inside. This works for me. And for your bangs, I would say just use like tiny sections and then roll it inside like this. I use very few rollers, not many. I use 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, so total 6. And I don't mind like rolling a lot of hair in one roller. I use these big size rollers. I think 3 months before, I got a haircut and she cut my hair really short. So now after 3 months, I have really long hair. So how did I grow my hair so fast? Number 1 is definitely the diet, the nutrition, food that you are eating. And number 2 is the hair growth serum. So I have these ordinary hair growth multipeptide. If I'm being honest with you, I don't know if it works for my hair growth, but it does make my hair feel thicker and denser, so it's really good for hair density. Now these are very lightweight water-based serums. Also the Wishcare hair growth serum, it's so lightweight. I think it's the most lightweight hair growth serum I've ever used, and it again uses Redensil and again which are biotechnology ingredients for the hair growth. So my friend, she's having a hair fall right now, and she called me like, what should I use, and these hair growth serums, do they really work? So I told her, I'm being super honest honest with you right now, I do feel that my hair looks thicker after using these serums, but I don't know about the hair growth. So maybe they are not working miracle, but with consistent use, you might see good results with these. So use nahi karne se अच्छा है कि use करो. That's what I think. I think these are all the newest additions to my hair care routines. For hair conditioning, I usually just use the conditioner which comes with the shampoo. And for my hair mask, I have separate hair mask. So this is what I use like every once a week whenever I wash my hair. This is the Love Beauty and Planet olive oil and peptide bond repair hair mask. So good. And the Garnier papaya hair food. This hair mask is not available in India anymore. I don't know why. If you're traveling abroad and if you're living abroad, then definitely get this hair mask. This is so good. This is my number one hair mask. I've never used anything like this. It makes my hair super soft. Nothing has ever worked like this. Just like my skin, I did not care for my hair in my 20s, and now when I'm in my 30s, I have this fear that one day all of my hair will fall out and I will be bald. And I know that's not true and it's so silly, but this fear actually pushed me to get serious about my hair care, and not just on the surface level but also inside out. That's why I started using less hot tools, and I would let my hair air dry instead of using blow dryers. I also started investing in good hair care products, like a little bit on the expensive side. I spent so much money on my skincare products, but I was so stingy with my hair care products. I don't know why. This shampoo is for 2200 rupees, which felt expensive to me, and I literally thought over it if I should buy it or not. And then I thought to myself, Manvi, what are these double standards? Like for buying a skincare, for a serum, I would spend 10,000. So if you want to level up your hair care game and you want to have a hair glow up, these products are it. Also, the products that I've mentioned in my previous hair care video, I've not mentioned them here because it will be repetitive. I will leave them in my description box and you can go and watch that video after watching this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.